Hey guys, just wanted to shoot a quick video. This isn't much of an installation video. It's more of just a product information video. Here's a light kit that is marketed for the TEGU ESC by Furitek. It comes with the Y cable, the split, which this end would go into the TEGU ESC system. And then there's the two connectors. There's actually two of these. One of them's pre-installed here in the back. What this is, it's a front and back lighting system, and it's actually designed ESC, which is installed. You know, right now it's really popular with the SCX24s, and in this case, you can get a front and back light system. The front is white and the back is red. But here's the cool part. This also works with it's a great lighting system for the MiniZ. Here I have a MiniZ all-wheel drive edition, and it's a brushed edition. And the connector here on the end perfectly fits the connector on the MiniZ. So, and then also the lights, they're about 3 millimeters. Yeah, they're roughly about 3 millimeters. As you can see, actually that's spot on 3 millimeters. And they plug right into the pre-drilled holes that come on the MiniZ body. Here we have the Toyota AE86. This is a drift edition, the Readyset, and it's quite easy to install. So let me go ahead and show you. We're just gonna grab the light here and put it right into the receiving socket. And you can use any tool you really want, but just push it down here. I'm using these tweezers. There's the other side. Just push it down firmly. Here, I'll show you the back. The left side, I actually had a little bit of issue, and I had to make the hole a little bit bigger. There was something wrong, I guess, when they were molding the body. That one's sitting really nicely. A little bit of adjustment. They're made, I mean, the size is the same. It pretty much fits perfectly in there. And then you want to plug cable in, and the way that I've noticed it's wired, the front actually goes to the back one here, and the back one goes to the front one here, like this. So I'll just quickly put this back so I can show you one of the most simplest installs. And there you have it. There's the front lights, there's the back lights. And one of the cool things is that you have brake lights. And the front lights are also adjustable, so it kind of flashes. All right, well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you have any comments, just go ahead and leave them down below. Subscribe to our channel. There's more to come.